It is Judgment Day for governors of 6 states, namely Delta, Nasarawa, Kaduna, Kebbi, Ogun, and Gombe states, whose appeals the Apex Court is ready to deliver judgment on. The courtroom is filled with supporters and counsels to parties, as Justice John Okoro leads a panel of 5 justices to deliver judgment in the appeal filed by the candidates of the All Progressives Congress APC for Delta State, Senator Ovie Omagege, the Labour Party candidate Mr. Ken Pella, as well as the SDP candidate Chief Kenneth Gbagi, who are all challenging the election of Governor Sheriff Oborevwori. The appellants are asking the Apex Court to overturn the judgment of the tribunal and that of the appeal court, which affirmed the election of Governor Oborevwori for alleged non-compliance with the 2022 electoral laws and overvoting. However, the panel of 5 justices unanimously dismissed the appeals for lack of merit and affirmed the election victory of Sheriff Oborevwori.
Today, the Supreme Court has confirmed the judgment of the tribunal and confirmed the judgment of the Court of Appeal. So there's great rejoicing in Delta, there's thanksgiving, and the people of Delta will now settle down and face the business of governance.
In a similar vein, the Justice John Okoro-led panel also dismissed the appeal filed by the PDP candidate in Ogun State, Mr. Ladi Adebutu, challenging the election victory of Governor Dapo Abiodun for lack of merit.
Dapo Abiodun not only won the majority of local vote cast, he also scored over 1/4 of total vote cast in virtually all the local governments in Ogun State. So INEC was justified in declaring him as the winner of the election. We said this at the tribunal agreed with us. We said it at the Court of Appeal agreed with us. We have come again to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court has agreed with us.
Another panel of 5 justices, led by Justice Kudirat Kekere-Ekun, delivers judgment in Nasarawa, Kebbi, Gombe, and Kaduna State appeals. On Nasarawa State appeal, the Apex Court opposed the judgment of the Court of Appeal, which overturned the judgment of the Nasarawa State Governorship Tribunal that sacked Governor Abdullahi Sule on the ground of overvoting and non-compliance with the 2022 electoral laws.
The Supreme Court has adequately considered the issues of law and have come to the conclusion that the case of Nasarawa State, as presented before it, is in favor of the sitting governor of Nasarawa State, Engineer Abdullahi Sule.
In the same vein, the Apex Court dismissed the appeals of the PDP candidate in Kaduna, Gombe, and Kebbi states for lack of merit. The Supreme Court verdict on the governorship appeals in the 6 states lays to rest the legal battles that trailed the election of the governors in the affected states.